Okay, so I'm going to do number 5 of both grams to moles and moles to gram conversion. So first thing you want to do is set up your given. So in this first one, I have 35 grams of copper sulfate pentahydrate, and I'm converting my grams, my grams into moles. In a mole to gram conversion, the mole always gets a 1, and then the gram is the molar mass from the periodic table. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate that separately. So again, it was copper sulfate pentahydrate. So copper is, let's see, it's right here. It is 63.546. Sulfur, and I have one of those. Sulfur is 32.065. I have one of those. Oxygen is 15.999, and I have 4 of those here, and I have 5 more over there, so that's 9 total. And then hydrogen is 1.0079, and I have 2 in water, but times 5 because the 5 distributes, so that's 10 total. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply those out and then add them all up, and I get 249.66. So the units for that are grams per mole. So it's that many grams per 1 mole. So I'm going to go up and put that number here because I had 249.66 grams per 1 mole. So then in my calculator, I'm going to do 35 divided by 249, and I get 0.140 moles of copper sulfate pentahydrate. So that's my answer for that one. And then for the one on the bottom of the page, I'm just going the opposite direction. So now I'm given moles and I'm going to find grams. So 32 moles of copper sulfate pentahydrate, and I'm going to convert my moles of copper sulfate pentahydrate into grams of copper sulfate pentahydrate. And again, I'm using the same number as before because it's the same compound, but this time the 249.66 is going on the top because the number stays with the grams. The mole always gets the 1. So now instead of dividing them, I'm going to multiply that out, and I get 798.9 grams of copper sulfate pentahydrate. So there's one of each going both directions. Please let me know if you have any more questions.